Game keeps flagging the Lua5.1-64 Engine DLL as missing. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Follow me for the safest way to restore your gaming library. Before we get into the technical process for Lua 5.1-64 Engine, you can find a professional diagnostic utility for system environment review. This is the Lua 5.1-64 Engine, the 64-bit Lua 5.1 scripting engine, commonly embedded in games and mod frameworks as a lightweight runtime for UI logic and add-ons. It drives scripting layers in environments like World of Warcraft mods and similar platforms. If missing, scripting subsystems may fail to initialize, causing missing UI elements or silent startup failures in modded environments. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. If you see a Lua 5.1-64 Engine DLL alert, it usually indicates a corruption within the Lua Project subfolder of your program, so you should reinstall the affected software to clear the conflict and restore the file. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Lua 5.1-64 Engine message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/R, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Do not let a minor runtime error escalate into a total system rebuild by attempting to force install Lua 5.1-64 Engine DLL into directories where it does not natively belong. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. If registry organization or startup behavior is a concern, the maintenance resource below includes Lua 5.1-64 Engine references. If this diagnostic helped you resolve Lua 5.1-64 Engine error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.